Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to explain to you what these two symbols right here mean. These are going to be very common to Casio watches, especially those that have 3 or 4 buttons. So one is going to stand for the alarm, the first one, so these lines right here are going to stand for the alarm, and the bell right here, this is going to be the hourly beep. So every full hour this is going to the watch is going to beep, so it is going to make a beeping sound signaling the fact that another full hour has passed. In order to set them on and off, you are going to press in your home screen the mode button once, and here we are going to press the start stop button in order to either have none of the two options activated. So now both the alarm and the hourly beep are going to be deactivated. If I press it one more time, the alarm is going to be on. Then we are going to have only the hourly beep on. Now both of the functions are going to be on. That is why both symbols appear. And if I press one more time, both are going to be set to off. Now if I press the mode button in order to finalize the process, you can see that now both of the functions are deactivated. Now something that you need to know is that when you press the mode button, if you press the button on the right in order to start setting the alarm, that will automatically set the alarm to on. So if you just close it, now the alarm it is going to be set to on. So that is something that you need to know. Now I'm going to go back to the alarm function, and now I'm going to press the top left button until both are deactivated. Press the mode button in order to finalize the process, and as you can see, both symbols have disappeared. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know what these two symbols mean and how to activate or deactivate the hourly beep and the alarm on your Casio watch. This is going to be the model W218H, but this is going to work for other models as well. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. I have tutorials for other models out there, so make sure to be subscribed to our YouTube channel in case you want to watch more watch related content. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next video.